Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. We are the Chief Exploring Officers and we are going to take you around the best cities in the world. Welcome to Florence, a city that embodies the essence of Renaissance splendor and artistic brilliance. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Florence captivates travelers with its rich history, magnificent architecture, and timeless beauty. Step back in time as you wander through the winding streets of Florence's historic center. Marvel at the awe-inspiring Florence Cathedral, with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, dominating the skyline. Cross the centuries-old Ponte Vecchio, adorned with charming shops and bustling with life. Immerse yourself in the art and culture that define Florence. Explore the world-renowned Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Stand in or before Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery, a testament to human achievement and beauty. Experience the vibrant energy of Florence piazzas, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy espresso, gelato, and lively conversation. Lose yourself in the bustling markets, where artisans showcase their crafts and the aroma of Tuscan cuisine fills the air. As the sun sets on our journey through Florence, we are left with memories of a city that has inspired generations with its unparalleled beauty and cultural legacy. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of this beloved city. Arrivederci. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe to our channel.